Hey, it's Lulu. So I love a lot of things and food is definitely one of them. And lately I've taken an interest in being more mindful about what I eat and making an effort to eat out less and cook at home more. Join me as I transform popular fast foods my way, the Lulu way. Welcome to Redo with Lulu. So growing up in California, when I think of fast food, I instantly think of In-N-Out. So today, this is my take of an In-N-Out classic hamburger and french fries. So today I have for you a chickpea burger with oven-baked french fries, along with some In-N-Out spread made with homemade mayo and homemade ketchup. Okay, so first you want to start out with one 15-ounce can of garbanzo beans or chickpeas. Rinse them first and drain them, and then take a fork and smash them down. You don't want to quite puree them. You do want to keep some of the texture because this is going to help the burger keep its shape. And to that we'll add half of a carrot, peel it first and grate it, half of a zucchini, half of a minced onion, and 1/2 cup of rolled oats, and then we'll go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, and today I'm using Kinder's Hot and Spicy. I'm also a huge garlic fan, so we're going to add that as well after we mix this together. So garlic has a lot of health promoting components. It's also good at fighting disease, so I'm just going ahead and finely mincing the garlic. You can buy pre-minced garlic in the store. I just feel like you get a better flavor when you work with the whole garlic cloves. So let's just go ahead and finely mince that, and then we're going to add it to our chickpea mixture. So once everything is well mixed and you're satisfied with the consistency, you just want to make sure it's fully blended, and then from there we're going to go ahead and add some olive oil, some sea salt, and go ahead and mix that thoroughly. And then from there I'm going to add some breadcrumbs. This is also going to aid in helping the patties keep their shape, and go ahead and mix that in all together. From there you want to take about a golf ball size amount in your palm and flatten that into a patty. I find that the flatter you make the patties, the more consistently and evenly they cook. And so you can cook these a variety of ways. You can bake them in the oven, you can pan fry them, but today I'm going to be cooking them in my George Foreman grill. So I know that a lot of people have the idea that when you're cooking at home, let alone cooking at home and healthy, that it could get quite expensive, but this particular recipe yields 6 servings. Altogether I spent about $10, and when you consider a single meal at In-N-Out is about $8 to $10. So when you compare the two, one meal at In-N-Out versus 6 servings, I mean, that's just an awesome deal, and you know exactly what you're putting into your body. So now on to those famous fries. So typically fast food restaurants deep fry their french fries, but today I'm going to show you this oven baked method that will give you the same effect. So you want to start out with clean, washed, and peeled potatoes, and go ahead and cut them into matchstick pieces. And from there, go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil along with some sea salt, and then gently toss them with your hands until all of the potatoes are well coated. Now taking a foil lined cookie sheet, you want to go ahead and spread out all of the matchstick pieces. Make sure that it's in a single evenly spaced layer. You just want a single layer because this will help keep them crisp. And you want to bake them for about 30 minutes on 450 degrees. Now that our oven-baked fries are done, let's go ahead and make these burgers. So to a hot George Foreman grill, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 patties, and it takes about 6 to 8 minutes to cook them thoroughly. Yes, look at those grill marks. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some onions and place them back into the George Foreman grill. That's gonna give them that lovely grilled flavor. Now that our burgers are cooking, let's whip up some In-N-Out burger sauce. So I'm starting out with half a cup of homemade mayo, 3 tablespoons of ketchup. I also made this as well, along with 2 tablespoons of sweet relish, and about a teaspoon and a half of sugar. So go ahead and blend that all together. I find that when I make this at home, it's typically more of a red consistency, whereas at In-N-Out it's a lighter consistency. If you prefer that, you can add more mayo. And so I decided to start making my own condiments because when I started reading the labels on some of the popular items like mayo, ketchup, and mustard, I found a lot of things that I didn't even know what they were, couldn't pronounce. And the more and more I started looking into these ingredients, I realized how harmful they are for you. So any chance I get and as much as I can, I definitely try to make an effort to make my own sauces and condiments. So the French fries turned out fabulous. They're nice and hot and crispy, just like I like them. So our chickpea burgers are finally ready. Let's go ahead and put them together. And oh my goodness, I wish you could smell how good it smells in here right now. So on a toasted bun, I'm gonna go ahead and add a generous helping of that homemade In-N-Out burger spread that we made earlier. This is an awesome tangy and sweet addition to this chickpea burger. And then from there, the fresh produce. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a generous helping of fresh lettuce and then also some fresh tomato. And then we'll go ahead and pile on our chickpea burger with the grilled onions. So just be careful when you're assembling this burger. Chickpea burgers typically don't hold their shape as well as traditional meat patties, so just keep that in mind. And there you have it. Pair this chickpea burger with our oven-baked fries from earlier, along with some more of that homemade ketchup, and you have a classic In-N-Out meal, Lulu style. Enjoy! I really hope you enjoyed this redo with Lulu. If you did enjoy, please like the video, subscribe, and share the love. Thanks for watching.